What are you doing? That's a big reason why you wake up feeling tired. And with dark circles under your eyes. Oh my goodness. Let's begin with this video. Okay, being on your phone before bed, yeah girl. Being in bed ready to... Why right now? Wait, not filming? Being on your phone before bed, yeah girl. Being in bed ready to sleep while still scrolling on your phone is a habit that's engaging you. It can make your eyes look tired, give you dark circles, and leave you physically exhausted. Stop using your phone every time you go to bed. Hide it somewhere you can see it or turn it off. And wait until the next day. Do this 30 minutes to 1 hour before going to sleep, okay? Okay, very important. Not sleeping enough. This is a huge mistake that we all make, yes, because I've also stayed up super late finishing school homework or work. The real problem is when it becomes a habit, like doing it every single day. If you stayed up late once or twice and then go back to sleep normally for 7 to 8 hours, that's totally fine. The problem starts when you do it for weeks or months. That's when you'll really start noticing changes in your physical appearance, and obviously you'll feel tired during the day. So why should you do? Set alarms and actually respect them when they go off. This honestly helped me so much to sleep better and get the hours I need. So girl, set an alarm on your phone for when you need to go to sleep and when you need to wake up, okay? Yes! Bad posture. I've mentioned this tip a lot, but it's really important. Many of us don't realize that we don't walk straight. Instead, we walk hunched over. Yes, girl. I've been there too. What helped me a lot was becoming more awake while walking. If you notice yourself starting walking hunched over, straight up immediately, okay? Also, look at yourself in the mirror while walking. This is a great tip. It helps so much. If you don't have a mirror big enough, don't worry, my girl. You can use your phone camera. Yes, you can use your phone camera. Super easy. Dry skin doesn't look or feel very nice, and I'm talking about the skin on your whole body in general. Face, hands, arms, legs, etc. Apply lotion every single day. It doesn't matter if it's an expensive lotion, cheap lotion work really well too. So don't worry, do this daily and your skin will look soft and very beautiful. Hands and nails that aren't taken care of don't elevate your appearance. They lower it. Try to always keep your hands soft and your nails clean and well maintained. Apply hand cream, file your nails, trim them, and add nail polish in any color you want so they look beautiful. And if you want to go a little further, I recommend press-on nails. I got this one because they look really pretty, but if you don't want to do that, it's okay. Clean nails and soft hands are more than enough. Messy, tangled, unbrushed hair does not look good. Repeat after me. It does not look good. Clean, styled, and well-brushed hair looks beautiful and makes you look beautiful. Hair is honestly a natural accessory that instantly elevates your appearance. It really plays a huge role in physical features and the way your personal image is perceived. So yeah. And well, what are you waiting for to start putting these tips into practice? Don't be lazy, my girl. Bye bye.